In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Zoho Books app in just 5 minutes. Zoho Books is a comprehensive online accounting software that's designed for small and medium-sized businesses. Whether you're looking to manage your finances better or simply need an efficient way to keep track of your expenses and income, Zoho Books can be a game changer. So, let's dive right into getting started with Zoho Books. First things first, we need to head over to the Zoho Books website. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and simply navigating to the official Zoho Books site. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a clean and user-friendly interface designed to make your accounting tasks as straightforward as possible. Now, to begin using Zoho Books, you'll need to click on the Sign In button. You'll find this option towards the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on Sign In will bring up a login screen, prompting you to enter your email and password. If this is your first time visiting the site, you might need to create a new account, which is quick and easy. Just follow the prompts to get set up with your own Zoho Books account. Once signed in, you'll find yourself at the Zoho Books homepage. This central hub is where you'll access all the essential tools and features Zoho provides. Familiarizing yourself with this space is valuable since it's designed to streamline your experience and improve your workflow. From there, we move on to the Zoho Books dashboard. This is where you can view your business's financial health at a glance. The dashboard displays crucial metrics such as income, expenses, and account balances. It's tailored to provide a snapshot of your financial activity, making it simple for you to monitor your business performance regularly. To tailor your Zoho Books experience to your own business needs, head over to Settings. The Settings section is where you can configure various parameters of your Zoho Books account. It's important to take some time to customize these settings so they work best for how you want to run things. Within Settings, you'll see an option labeled Zoho Apps. Clicking on this will provide you with numerous integration opportunities, enhancing the functionality of your Zoho Books environment. These integrations can help streamline your processes even further, linking Zoho with other tools and apps you might already be using. The final step in setting up your Zoho Books environment involves connecting with these other apps. Simply click on the Connect button to proceed with integrating your selected apps with Zoho Books. This connectivity can be incredibly beneficial as it allows for seamless data transfer and helps in maintaining consistency across all platforms you use. And there you have it. You're now all set to make the most out of Zoho Books. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or just starting out, the tools at your disposal can really help elevate your bookkeeping game. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.